The SOS button light should always be a solid, steady blue light. You cannot turn it off. The SOS light will only flash if the alarm system was armed, then tripped by either one of the sensors or by pressing the SOS button on the alarm display or app. However, the SOS light will also flash to warn you if there's a problem such as a low battery warning or a poor connection to your Wi-Fi network. So if you see a red low battery warning on the alarm panel, this means that either a motion sensor or a contact sensor has low battery. Once you've replaced the battery, press the disarm button on the alarm system. The SOS light should stop flashing and the low battery zone warning should disappear. If you see the SOS light flashing without the red low battery warning, then the OSI alarm system may have a poor connection to your Wi-Fi network. This could either be from a power failure that may have caused an error with your Wi-Fi router, or it could possibly be compatibility issues between the Wi-Fi router and your OSI alarm system, which could cause it to intermittently disconnect. So let's check to see if it was due to a power failure. We'll power cycle the Wi-Fi router and then the OSI alarm display to see if it clears any errors. To power cycle the Wi-Fi router, unplug the Wi-Fi router, then wait 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This should now have fixed any connectivity errors. Now let's power cycle the alarm display. First thing you need to do is unplug the power from the electrical outlet. Then flip over the alarm display and remove the back panel. Now on the top left side of the USB mini port, you'll see a switch. This turns the backup battery on and off. Right now we want to switch it off. So move the backup battery to the off position. Then wait about 1 minute. Then turn the backup battery switch to the on position. Place the back panel cover back on. Then plug the power adapter back into the wall. Once powered back on, disarm the alarm system. The SOS button should now be a solid blue light. If the SOS light is still flashing after power cycling the Wi-Fi router and the OSI alarm display, then it might be due to an incompatibility issue between the Wi-Fi router and the OSI alarm panel. A way around this is to unbind the Wi-Fi connection on your OSI alarm panel and then reconnect it using the Soft App Wi-Fi setting. Using Soft App Wi-Fi creates an internal Wi-Fi hotspot which establishes a more solid connection to your Wi-Fi, but requires a few more steps. To reconnect the OSI alarm panel using the Soft App Wi-Fi setting, we first need to unbind the Wi-Fi. Unbind is another term for disconnecting the Wi-Fi. To do this, select Menu on the OSI alarm panel, then select Wi-Fi, then select Unbind. Now select the check mark to confirm. A 15-second countdown will appear, in which by the end of the countdown, the alarm panel will now be disconnected from your Wi-Fi network. Now let's go to your smartphone or tablet and open the Smart Life app. Select the blue plus icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then select Add Device from the drop-down menu. Select Sensors. Then select Alarm Wi-Fi. On this page, you need to select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If you have a booster or Wi-Fi extender, please select that network instead. Then enter your password. Then select Next. If this pop-up message appears saying your phone is connected to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, just select Carry On. On this page, it asks you to confirm if the indicator is blinking. Typically, this is referring to when you're adding a smart product where a light appears on the product when in pairing mode. But with the OSI alarm panel, there is no indicator light when it's put in pairing mode. So what we need to do is go to your OSI alarm panel. You should already be in the Wi-Fi settings page when we last unbinded the Wi-Fi. If not, just navigate by pressing Menu, then Wi-Fi. So on the Wi-Fi page, you want to select Soft App Configure. Then select the checkmark to confirm. Once you do this, the OSI alarm panel will now be in pairing mode, meaning it's ready to connect to your Smart Life app on your phone or tablet. A countdown will appear in which you'll have 300 seconds to complete the remainder steps. Let's go back to the Smart Life app and confirm that the indicator is blinking, meaning that the OSI alarm panel is now in pairing mode. Select Blink Slowly. On this page, it's giving you a warning that when you select the blue button below, you'll need to look for either of these Wi-Fi networks labeled either Smart Life followed by a dash and 4 letters and numbers, or the letters SL followed by a dash with 4 letters and numbers. So let's select Go to Connect. you should now see the Smart Life Wi-Fi network pop up under the list of available networks. So let's select it. Select Connect Only this time. Once you see it connected, we need to go out of this Wi-Fi screen and back to the Smart Life app. On Android, you do this by selecting the back arrow button on the bottom right of the screen. However, if you have an iPhone, you'll need to select the word Smart Life with the back arrow at the very top left of the screen. So because on this example I'm using an Android, I'm going to select the back arrow on the bottom right of the screen. Once you see this, you'll see the connecting device page where it's connecting and will take roughly between 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once you're taken to this page where it says one device added successfully, then it means that the OSI alarm system is now connected to the Wi-Fi using the Soft App Wi-Fi feature. The flashing SOS light should no longer be flashing, letting you know that the OSI alarm display has a strong Wi-Fi connection.
Well, we hope this video helped you out. All of the products you see here are available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your question below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris and thank you for watching.